Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Timo Lehne. I'm the CEO of SThree, and I'm joined today by two wonderful gentlemen. Number one, Andy Beach, our CFO.
Good afternoon, everyone.
And by Nick Folks, our CTIO.
Hey everyone.
And yeah, as you're aware, we're doing now these investor briefings and it's our second round. And today we're going to talk about our technology improvement program. So let's go. We are SThree. We are the global STEM specialist talent partner, and we are unique. We are proud pioneers specializing in STEM before anyone else, and we have led our industry for nearly 40 years. Our well-established strategy focused on placing skilled STEM talent by offering flexible talent solutions puts us in a unique position to win. Our deep STEM expertise and broad networks mean we can deliver quality at speed for our clients and our candidates. In doing so, we deliver our purpose of bringing skilled people together to build the future and our vision to be the number one STEM talent provider in the best STEM markets. We have a great business and the opportunity ahead, underpinned by structural megatrends, and the shortage of STEM talent is huge. Our first investor briefing focused on seizing the market to drive top-line growth and discipline and focus driving top-line and margin growth. Today's focus is our technology improvement program, which will show how we will enable our consultants to become more productive and drive standardization, simplification, and an automation enabling us to operate effectively at greater scale. Like all sales-driven organizations, we have a group of top performers delivering best-in-class productivity. But it takes time for our 0 to 24 months cohort of sales consultants to become profitable. Through our technology improvement program, we are investing in technologies and processes to empower our people to be their best, quicker and more consistently. If we do nothing else but reduce the time it takes for our 0 to 24 months cohort to become productive, moving just one step along the productivity curve, as illustrated here by the pink line, we will drive a value shift in productivity. This alone supports the rationale and investment in our technology improvement program. This program is a key enabler to long-term sustainable growth, empowering our people through better connected, innovative technology and processes. We currently have a technology platform which is fit for purpose, but we can do so much more. Over the past 6 years, we have captured best practice via our blueprint program, which forms a key part of our behaviors and development programs. But we're human, and it takes time to learn and time to live and breathe this blueprint, which is open to subjectivity, allowing for errors and workarounds. Through our technology improvement program, we are building and implementing an integrated digitalized platform which will, through our new CRM, systemize and automate this best practice blueprint. In essence, we're taking the best of SThree and distilling it, making it available to all in an intuitive and repeatable way that guides every sales consultant through every step of the sales process, enabling us to deliver a world-class digital experience. By adopting modern, scalable technologies and processes, we can drive meaningful insight to inform our decision-making, ensuring we allocate resources where they can deliver the best returns. Furthermore, 78% of our business is contract, within which the employed contractor model, or ECM, is a high value proposition for our customers, a profitable model for us, and our fastest growing product. With ECM comes a degree of complexity in terms of both onboarding and in-life compliance. With automation key to addressing these compliance complexities, we are future-proofing our business, which will enable us to operate effectively at far greater scale. This will allow us to focus more on what really matters, servicing our clients and candidates. Our roadmap is clear. The program, once fully implemented, will drive sales effectiveness, accelerating the productivity of our sales consultants, standardize, simplify, and automate our back-office technologies and processes, enabling us to operate effectively at greater scale. Digitize ECM to drive growth in a scalable, lower cost to serve way, and position the group at the forefront of the industry as it continues to evolve from the traditional recruitment model driven primarily by headcount. This program is at the heart of our drive to deliver step change in our business, enabling us to deliver the future of STEM staffing through insight, innovation, and operational excellence. And with that, I will hand over to Nick.
Thanks, Timo, and good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nick Folkes. I'm the Chief Technology and Information Officer here at SThree. I'm also the Technology Improvement Programme sponsor. I joined SThree in 2021 and bring with me nearly 30 years of diverse experience in the IT industry. Throughout my career, I have successfully led digital transformation initiatives for major companies, including G4S, Tesco, and MSCI, helping them to innovate and become leaders in their respective industries. I'm really excited about the opportunity to transform SThree and to change our industry. Although our current systems have served us well and have been a key factor in our strong performance, they do not possess the intelligent, automated, and compliant ECM capabilities that are necessary in today's digital age. Additionally, by investing in a new digital platform, we can not only improve our productivity and gain greater business insights, but enhance our customers' experience and give SThree an even greater competitive edge in the staffing industry. Let me show you how. We are building an end-to-end integrated solution which takes the very essence of our blueprint alluded to earlier by Timo and enshrining it in an intelligent digital platform. We have identified more than 300 steps, referred to as enablers, in our blueprint that we can digitalize in the new platform and that will enhance real-time interactions with clients, candidates, and colleagues. As seen on the slide, a few examples of these enablers include intelligent matching, where the platform, with a deep understanding of our clients' needs, will automatically match, filter, and initiate communication with the top-rated potential candidates for a given client opportunity. Another example is we plan to utilize the platform's data enrichment capabilities to identify hiring managers who have recently transitioned to new roles and automatically prompt our relationship managers to reach out to support them in their new job. It is important to note that whilst each enabler has its own value, none of them individually will revolutionize our business. However, by creating a scalable and intelligent platform that digitalizes all of them to serve as a co-pilot for our colleagues, seamlessly integrating with every element of their work, that we can improve the proficiency of our new and existing employees, gain productivity by automating manual tasks, gain greater insight into the customers and markets we serve, and achieve adherence to our unique blueprint. There are 4 core components to our solution. The first component is a brand new customer relationship management and applicant tracking platform from Mercury. This cloud-based CRM ATS serves as an essential foundation for our platform. It offers a modern CRM ATS that seamlessly integrates with external partners, including the likes of LinkedIn. Additionally, it includes an extension framework that enables us to digitalize many aspects of our blueprint. To complement Mercury, we're developing two proprietary components: our in-house customer digital experience for candidates and clients, and time and expense pay bill solutions will revolutionize our approach to customer service. It will digitalize the entire compliance process from onboarding to invoicing and payroll. These components will unlock the full potential of our ECM service for our clients, placing both candidates and clients in the driver's seat of their digital experience. By streamlining our order-to-cash processes with the implementation of the first three components, we now have the opportunity to simplify our ERP system. To enhance our business management capabilities, our fourth component is a cloud-based finance and insight solution that will provide improved visibility and understanding of the performance of our company. And while these components and their supporting partners will greatly benefit SThree, they only comprise part of the story. In order to fully realize our vision, we require an additional technology partner with a comprehensive set of capabilities to unlock our vision's true potential. Our technology strategy is underpinned by the Microsoft Cloud. We are utilizing the full potential of the Microsoft Power Platform to digitize our blueprint and gain those new insights. Additionally, we are utilizing Microsoft Dynamics to support our CRM and finance solutions, which themselves are built on the Power Platform. All of these components are built on Microsoft's common data model, the Dataverse, and hosted within our secure and scalable Microsoft Azure tenancy. We're also actively exploring the potential of leveraging Microsoft's newly announced OpenAI service within our platform. And this showcases the benefits of working with a partner that offers a wide range of capabilities. By successfully implementing this program, we will establish a data-driven culture that prioritizes analytical insights and leads to improved decision-making through access to high-quality, timely, and easily accessible data. This will enhance our sales performance and empower our team to focus on more value-adding activities. So, in summary, this end-to-end integrated solution gives us a single coherent technology platform with best-in-class automation, a key enabler for driving productivity among our sales consultants, a world-class digital experience for our clients and our candidates, and market-leading data-driven insights. It provides a unique ECM capability with a solution that is extremely difficult to replicate and which offers a scale at incremental cost, driving operational leverage. This solution is unique to SThree and will differentiate us within the industry. So what does this new digital experience for our candidates look like? We have already conducted a CRM pilot in the summer of last year, and you'll hear more about this from Matt, our program lead, in a moment. Building on the success of this pilot, we are working on the development of the integrated platform before commencing rollout. I have extensive experience in delivering large and complex transformations, and so our rollout plan is well defined and includes a process for incorporating feedback and lessons learned from each step to improve subsequent deployments and ensure success. We will deliver our world-class operational platform in a considered and systematic way, starting with the USA later this year, followed by Germany, the Netherlands, UK, and Japan, and the rest of the world thereafter. And with that, I'll hand over to Matt, who will talk more about our journey so far.
Thanks, Nick. Hello, I'm Matt McManus, and I've been with SThree for 26 years. during which I've operated across many regions, including being MD of APAC and EVP of Commercial Operations in our US business, before returning to the UK. I'm leading the Sales Effectiveness Programme, which will enable our people to be their very best. We attract bright, enthusiastic people to join us and embark on a sales journey, which to many is totally new. We provide really good training to teach and guide them through the sales process. For our top performers, this is intuitive, second nature, but typically this is a long learn curve for our new sales consultants, which means it takes time to become productive. In addition, from one consultant to the next, there is currently a huge amount of variability and subjectivity applied to the same situation and actions. Through our Sales Effectiveness Programme, we're removing this randomness and variability, replacing it with consistent, repeatable and scalable processes. By systematizing and enshrining our inherent knowledge gained from decades of experience, we're taking the art of recruitment and making it more of a science. So as you've heard from Nick, last year we launched a pilot in Houston to test our new CRM processes and capabilities. Let me tell you a little bit about this pilot and how it went. We created a dedicated team mobilized from the program with the expertise to support the pilot and deliver a program of this scale. We focused on our core sales processes and the development of a minimum viable product. This MVP comprised of out-of-the-box Mercury core functionality with some standard third-party integrations such as LinkedIn, Outlook and Teams, upon which we then released a short list of customized enablers. This targeted scope allowed us to learn how with features of our new CRM can drive sales effectiveness and benefits realization. And it also allowed us to learn, improve and develop the muscle memory required for a global transformation program of this scale and to deliver at pace. It also ensured that the business was not overwhelmed and was able to consume the volume of change without disruption. Our pilot was deployed in August 2022, on time, within scope and in budget. So what did we learn? Through a test fail, test approach, we created a real-time feedback loop, enabling us to enhance the solution for the user. The on-site support provided by the project and CRM implementation teams was widely recognized as the importance of embedding ways of working into the training. As consultants' proficiency grew, additional functionality was added, which was well received. The pilot has created a test bed for future developments and enhancements and informed future deployments, including the optimal virtual versus in-person support timeline and proximity to the office, given the hybrid ways of working. The key outcomes from the pilot include systematized and structured ways of working through the digital blueprint, which became truly embedded and have informed future development. We were really pleased with the high levels of engagement. Our eNPS score improved by 13 percentage points over the quarter, despite people being back in the office for 4 days a week. As with any change program, you would expect to see a reduction in performance during that time, especially as the CRM and back office are not yet linked, requiring some processes to be replicated. However, we were pleased that the shape of this J-curve of performance was both narrower and shorter than expected. And after 4 weeks, everyone was able to use the system proficiently and collectively they achieved their best month of the year. The pilot demonstrated the program's capability to enable our people to achieve their best quicker and more consistently. The completion of this pilot is enabling us to build at pace, ready for global deployment. So let's hear from a couple of our consultants who took part in the pilot.
I've had the opportunity of working on one of SThree's most exciting initiatives, our Sales Effectiveness Project. I've been in the company for 10 plus years and I've seen a number of iterations of our sales management systems, and our new CRM is hands down the best version that we've seen yet. I've got a lot of things on my plate on a daily basis, and the easier a system can help me manage those tasks without me having to think about them, the better. Makes my life a lot easier. So just to give you an example, one of the things I deal with on a daily basis is hundreds and hundreds of emails. The system allows for those emails to be immediately tracked back to our customer records without me having to do anything. A great example of making my life a lot easier. All my conversations, all the information that's coming from my customers, key information that allows SThree to grow, are immediately tracked back in to our CRM and allow us to continue growing and scaling our business relationships. One of the things that I really like about our new system is it really allows me the ability to play to my strengths and focus on the things that I do best, which is getting out there and meeting with our customers, our clients, and our candidates. And it allows me to really play to my strengths and ultimately help the company continue to grow. For me, our new CRM gives us the capability to be at the cutting edge of the STEM industry where we play every day, and I cannot wait to see how it helps us transform our business in the future.
As a manager, it has been a game changer because everything is tracked. I'm able to log on and see where my team's KPIs are, where our current runner book is, any scheduled interviews, any pending starts, any potential finishers. Everything is in one system. The new CRM really emphasizes workflow, especially for individuals who've been in the recruiting world for under 2 years. They're able to go into the system and it'll prompt them in terms of best next action. Being in the recruiting world for almost a decade, I have had the opportunity to utilize a handful of different systems. I can tell you the one that we're using right now has significantly improved my day-to-day. Everything is in one system. I'm able to go in, accurately see any sort of forecast, our current runner book, open jobs for the week, as well as my team's KPIs. The new software is a game changer. It is everything I've wanted as a recruiter, as a manager, as a producer.
With data at the heart of our decision making, we will transform our organization from a reporting culture into an insights culture, one which will provide meaningful signals and actionable insights at scale and depth not previously possible. Our new CRM will understand and know where every sales consultant is with every opportunity, sales lead, and candidate. This unique business intelligence brings multi-decade best practice to our people, with predictive capabilities guiding them through every next step. Through automation, our consultants will be able to track progress in real time, see target-driven KPIs visualized in a simple way, enabling them to focus on the key events and activities to close deals sooner and drive sales. For our sales managers, dashboards will provide them with real-time insights, enabling them to better support their consultants, offer early intervention if actions haven't been followed, identify opportunities for improvement, and close performance gaps through tailored training and coaching. This virtuous circle will enable us to replicate the best of SThree, enabling our consultants to become productive quicker and more consistent, earning commission earlier in their journey with us, which, together with the removal of manual interventions from their daily activities, drives job satisfaction and improves consultant retention. Our enhanced digital experience drives a better customer experience, which in turn creates greater stickiness with both candidates and clients, driving renewals and repeatable business, and so on. At our senior leaders level, data will drive greater visibility and insights, facilitating improved collaboration between teams, regions, and brands, and underpins our analytical approach of knowing where to play and playing where we can win, driving better allocation of resources and better returns. You've heard a number of times today about our enablers, our customized feature functionality. Let's look at one of our business processes, follow the finisher, and see how the system can guide our consultants through this process in a methodical and repeatable way. Our new CRM system enables us to enshrine this process in an intelligent platform, bringing every process to life in real time. With a high degree of automation, it nudges and prompts the sales consultant through every step of the process in an enhanced and replicable way. Each step is supported by a number of tailored enablers, such as Nick mentioned, including adaptive call scripts, AI-driven best next actions, and intelligent matching. This simple example demonstrates the standardized approach to each process, reducing randomness, increasing automation, and supporting our consultants' likelihood of success, whilst enhancing our customers' experience. This approach underpins our compliant service offering, which, as you've heard, is valuable and is a growing client expectation. Let's take a look at how our new CRM will bring these processes to life for our consultants. So today we've heard from Stefan and Kristen, our Houston-based consultants, and seen a glimpse into our new digital candidate onboarding experience. So let's hear from Sunny, who heads up our US business.
Hi everyone, I'm Sunny Ackerman, and I'm thrilled about our sales transformation and new CRM system and what it means for our business operations. Over the 3-month pilot we conducted with our Houston sales team, we successfully executed with the agreed upon timeframe and budget. And during that time, we learned that our new CRM is highly intuitive and will fix many of our manual processes. Overall, the new system gives our teams the ability to have an even stronger handle on our sales pipeline. And from back office functionality to reporting capabilities to streamlining our onboarding and really everything in between, our digital transformation of our new system will enhance our overall business processes. And the ability to integrate and collaborate across the business areas, including our sales enablement, learning and development, marketing and sales operations teams. The byproduct will be better client relationships, a better quality of leads, and a better brand reputation, which will translate into increased revenue and reduced operating costs. And ultimately, we have the right tool and strategy to take us on our journey of growth and solidify ourselves as a solution. And with that, I will pass you to Andy, who will cover the program financials.
Now that we've heard from the project team, let me take you through some of the numbers. The chart on the left-hand side shows the annual split of the 30 to 35 million 3-year program costs, split by OPEX and CAPEX. As announced, the program's OPEX costs in FY22 were £4 million, weighted to the second half. In FY23, we expect to incur program costs of around £15 to £17 million, of which an estimated £6 to £7 million will be expensed, with the remainder of the program costs anticipated to be incurred in FY24, in line with the planned rollout, of which £5 to £6 million will be expensed. On the right-hand side, you can see the impact of these costs on the group's operating profit conversion ratio. In FY22, the group has delivered exceptional levels of productivity, and we've seen a bounce back in margins following COVID. Our FY22 conversion ratio of 18% reflects the programme costs of £4 million to date, all of which were expensed. Were it not for these investments, our margins would have been 1 percentage point higher. With the annualised impact of these programme costs in FY23, we expect flatter margins, as represented here by the pink line, which would be around 1.5 percentage points higher were it not for these programme costs. In FY24, we expect to incur the remainder of the programme costs, and due to the timing and phased nature of the rollout, we will continue to dual run some systems. In this year, we see an inflection point, as we expect to start to see the initial financial benefits of the programme, which supports our ambition of delivering an operating profit conversion ratio of 21% or higher in FY24. To put things into context, at today's net fee levels, the 3 percentage points increase we are looking for represents around £12 million of additional operating profit. We are confident that we can achieve this level of improvement by enabling our 0 to 24-month cohort to become productive quicker. Whilst there are many other benefits, not least the expected improvement in consultant retention that you've already heard about today, this one metric alone gives us the comfort that the programme payback is achievable. Based on our planned investment, we expect to deliver a positive ROI by FY25. And with that, I'll hand back to Timo.
Thank you, Andy. Today you have heard how our technology improvement program will enable us to deliver scalable, sustainable growth and supports our FY24 growth ambitions, namely growing market share, delivering a long-term sustainable conversion ratio of 21% or more, and being an employer of choice. Our technology improvement program will enable and excite our people to perform at their best. Based on systemizing our blueprint, our deep industry experience, and through state-of-the-art technology, we will fundamentally redesign recruitment processes. This approach supports our strategic pillars by enabling data-driven decision-making which informs resource allocation and underpins our analytical approach of knowing where to play and playing where we can win. Delivering better connected innovative technologies and processes to drive greater operational excellence, productivity, and customer experience. Attracting the best talent, providing the best training, and targeting people to the best markets. Driving effectiveness, engagement, and expertise. And driving our reputation as the undeniable first choice for STEM talent. Our opportunity is large, underpinned by structural megatrends, and the requirement for scarce STEM talent across industries and regions is acute. Our first investor briefing covered this and how we will go about seizing it. We have the right team, energized around a clear strategy to build the future, one which we can scale in a way not previously possible. By giving our consultants the best tools possible and our customers a world-class digital experience, we will execute on our vision to be the #1 STEM talent provider in the best STEM markets. It is clear to me that the group has a huge opportunity to build on its successful foundations and to create a truly differentiated proposition within the market. The work we have done over the year is aligned to building a business with long-term sustainable growth potential in line with our 2024 ambitions and beyond. I am so excited about our future. It is time to unleash the power of SThree. Thank you, everyone. This was our second investor briefing. Remember last time we talked about seizing the market opportunity and the discipline and focus which we really brought into the organization. Today we talked about the technology improvement program, and I know everyone was really keen to hear more about it. I hope with Nick, thanks Nick, and obviously thank you also to all of the team members and our transformation team internally, really delivering not only the project so far, because I think we had a very busy and successful last year, but I can really reiterate the organization is in an absolutely maximum heartbeat at the moment, super energized and super positive, looking forward towards our 2024 ambitions. But please remember, this is for much more sustainable long-term growth, which we are trying to achieve here. And with that, I believe, and hopefully we could convince you today as well, our project scope is absolutely clear. The project execution, together with the project team we have built around, is really state-of-the-art. We have a lot of really, really experienced people on this team doing nothing else than helping us to provide this IT investment program. And yeah, with that, again, thank you. And we will definitely come back with another investor briefing in a couple of months, but you will hear more about it very soon from us. Until then, have a great week and looking forward to catching up again.